Hello everyone, it's time for morning briefings. Monica from Carrier Rental gave us the cup. That's a pretty sporty cup. If you need some rental systems from Carrier, give Monica a call. Coffee's pretty good too. There are ways to make your boss happy, and there are ways to make your boss mad. So let me share something with you. Jesua, Alvarez, who's 36 from Haines City, went to his boss. He worked at McGee Tires and said, "Hey, I've bought these 4 tires online, got a great deal. Can I use the equipment to put them on my vehicle?" Boss said, "Yeah, after work, if you want to put them on your vehicle, it's okay." Well, he did. Everything's cool. And then McGee does an inventory and finds out he didn't buy them online. He stole them out of the inventory. Did you hear what I said? He stole the tires from his boss, then used the boss's equipment to put the stolen tires on his vehicle. The boss was not impressed, so they called the sheriff's office. Well, of course, we went to his house. "Mr. Alvarez, we need to talk to you." Nothing. So we call him on the phone. "Mr. Alvarez," "Yes, we need to talk to you. Come out." "I'm not at home." "Well, we hear you in the house." "No, I'm not at home." So we call Alvarez's mama. She said, "I'll tell him to come out." She called and said, "Go out and talk to the deputies." Oh, he opened the door when mama said open the door, and then he resisted arrest. Some things you just can't make up. He doesn't have a job, he doesn't have any tires, and he's in the county jail. Welcome to Polk County.